Alright guys, so this is my 2010 Buick Lacrosse, and I upgraded the radio in it. Now I'm going to upgrade the speakers. Now everybody read a couple forums, they say you can't upgrade the speakers and this and that and this and that. Said it the same way they said you couldn't upgrade the radio, but I did that. And just give you a quick walkthrough of what you need to do to take this door panel off. So there's that tab there, which is right under the armrest. There's two T20 screws behind that. And then you got that there. Stick a flathead in there if I can focus. And there's one T20 screw behind that. And then on the bottom, there's a Phillips there and a Phillips there. You take those off and pop the little pins off on the door handle using one of these here. And let me show you guys what I'm upgrading to. I'm going with the Harman Kardon components, 6.5 and tweeters. So, but like I said, you take a screwdriver, flathead. Hold on, I'm trying to do this one-handed. But you stick that right there. Pop that off. Stick that in there just so I don't lose it. And you stick that in there. A little twist, pull. That comes off. Stick that in there so I don't lose it. T20 Torx. So got that there, which is this here. That fell. That fell in there. Good. So I know where it's at. Now, I'll get it in a minute. Let me put you on pause for a minute. And got these here. That fell. And one more. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? And take your pry tool. You gotta find a good spot though. I usually start in the side here. Stick it in there. It's hard to do this with one hand, but hold on a minute. Alright, so I got the bottom to pop. Sorry, camera angle's probably all crap, I know. My bad. Then, simple lift up and off. Door panel's off. Speaker is there. One bolt. Now, because you'll never get an aftermarket speaker to fit in this, I had to order this, which is for aftermarket speakers. Same fitting on the bottom, same screw on the top. The holes for the speaker. Ordered 4 of these for all 4 doors because I am doing all 4 doors. Ran $20 plus it came with the connection for the speakers, which are these here. Plug into the speaker and plug these into the connector from the factory. There you go, just in case you guys was wondering how to do this. It can be done. People inform saying, oh, it can't be done, it messes up the system. No, it doesn't. You can do anything you want to your automobile. Alright, I do gotta tidy up some things, but speaker in, box in, tweeter in, fix these wires, put a little shielding on them, zip tie them, good to go. But there it is.